welcome to the garden. Today we're going to be testing out this new weeding tool. Got this at a garage sale. It's a little fork with this metal bar that's used as leverage. So what you do is drive this down around the roots of a plant. You go down until the soil level is resting on this little lever, and then you can pry the plant out by the roots. And because this has a really long handle, I should be able to pull weeds without actually bending over. So let's get right underneath the dandelion. I want to get the tool vertical so that we can drive down a little bit. We're going to use that little leverage to pry the thing out. Might have missed the main root there, so let's try again. And let's see. Cool, it actually worked. That's not bad. If I can pull dandelions without bending over, I think that'd be great. And we can just kind of step on this a bit. It should fill back in pretty quickly. It's a little tricky to find that root, but once you get it, it actually does a great job. Look at that. I'm really satisfied with that. So to really put this to the test, we're going to try and pull all these dandelions in about a minute. That's about how long it'll take me to do it by hand. And I probably need a little bit of practice just to get this right. But I think it does work very well in certain situations. It actually went pretty well. It does break a lot of the roots, so we probably didn't permanently remove these, but it looks really good for now. I'm going to test this on a much tougher plant. This is a piece of buckthorn. Drive down until we can get to that leverage point. Didn't go the first time. We'll try again at a different angle. Okay, so it did work. Not as well as the dandelion. That one worked really well. Buckthorn has pretty narrow, really woody roots. So it does work, but it's better, I think, on larger, softer weeds like dandelions. There's one more weed I really want to try, and that's this burdock. These have huge elephant ear type leaves, and the roots can tap down pretty deep. They're even softer than a dandelion, so I'm not sure if this is going to be delicate enough. But we'll give it a shot. Just want to make sure I can see what I'm doing here. So I want to get about an inch out from the stem. That way we can drive down and then pry out that root. Wow, look at that, it worked. We got the whole root without damaging it. So that means this is not going to come back. Wow, that's a weird one too. Look at that weird side root. But this does work. You can tell it does a little bit of damage to the other plants, but I'm just going to press the soil back and we should fill in with some wildflowers. The last thing I'm going to try is pulling dandelions on our gravel walkway. I'm hoping that we can pull these weeds without disturbing the gravel too much. There we go. But we did break off some of that root. And we disturbed a little bit of soil there. We might have lost a couple rocks. Yeah, there's really no substitute to bare hands. So I'm gonna wait till the next rainfall, and I'm gonna pull all these dandelions by hand. But we can try this again after a rain and see if we have better results, because I think this is a great idea. If I don't have to bend over to pull weeds, then that'll save me a lot of time and energy. So I hope you found this interesting. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.